What's up everyone, my name's Garrett. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller. In today's video, I'm gonna be going over an actual product that I sold this year that I was able to profit over $10,000 on. Now I got this product from Costco. I was able to drive around to every single Costco in my area and pick up a ton of them. And the reason I wanna show you this product is to educate you on, just because when you're at a store and you scan a product and it doesn't scan in, doesn't mean it's not actually listed on Amazon. And with this product, I actually kind of got creative with it and I was able to really capitalize on it with no competition, because a majority of people wouldn't have thought to actually look up this product in the way that I did. So I wanted to make this video to hopefully help you guys, especially going into Q4. There's going to be a ton of opportunities just like this one, and I want to help you guys get out there and make some money. So let's hop on into my computer. I'll show you the exact product, how many I sold. I'll show you inside my Seller Central how many of them I sold, how much profit, how much I paid for them, and we will go from there. So let's hop on into my computer. Alrighty guys, we are inside of my computer and this is the actual product I was selling. It's these copper fit little knee sleeves. I had them in the small, medium, and there's also a large, extra large. And the cool thing about this product is that Costco, they work with brands and they get kind of unique packaging, right? So these were coming in packs of 2, right? So at Costco, it came in a pack of 2. I'll try to pop up a picture. I have a few pictures where I took pictures with all of the ones I had at my house. And it came in a pack of 2, right? So when you scan the product, it wouldn't ring up on Amazon, but I knew Copper Fit Elite was a very popular brand. You see Brett Favre is like one of the faces of that brand. He's a big kind of figurehead of Copper Fit. So I knew this was a popular brand. So I was like, you know what? Let me manually research this product. And all I did, it had 2 packs of these with a see-through kind of packaging. I just scanned them with my Amazon Sellers app and I was actually able to find them on Amazon. And lo and behold, they were ranked under 20,000 in the sporting goods category, single variation listing, and they sell extremely well. And the cool thing is the 2-pack was actually clearanced out at Costco for $9.97, so that brought my buy cost down to $5 a piece. So I was actually able to pick these up for $5, and I sold them all from $19.99 to $25. So pretty good profit margin there. I'll just show you kind of what the profit was that I'm working with. So if I sold them for $19.99, I paid $5, got tax exempt, and these didn't even cost 25 cents to ship in. I was making anywhere from $7.98 to $12.99 per unit, and like I said, I sold over 1,000 of these things. So let's hop on into my Amazon Seller Central and I'll show you the proof of the 1,000 orders and just kind of how many orders I got with these products. Alrighty guys, so we're inside of my last 365 days. I got over 1,021 orders. You can see some of them for 25 bucks, $19.99. And I sold well over 1,000 because a lot of people ordered 2. You could see this person ordered 2, this person ordered 2, so on and so forth. But I got a ton of these and I sold them all probably within 30 days, if even that. The cool thing about this is I found this product at one Costco, right? And I thought that's all they had. But I told my mom about this, funny enough, because she resells as well. And she went back like the next week, right? And they were marked back up to $19.99. So I was like, whoa, I got lucky on these. And then it wasn't a week or 2 later, maybe 3 weeks later, she sent me a picture that they were marked back down, clearanced out $9.97. I went in there, she grabbed them all for me, I met her up, we picked them up, and then I went and drove to literally every other Costco in my area and picked up as many of these as possible. The only downside to these was I paid my sister to do it, cut them all out of the packaging, which was very time consuming, and pull them out. But when you make over $10,000 on one find like this, you gotta kind of capitalize, and it's worth that extra labor because you're spending $5 to make 10, you're tripling your money. And there was virtually no competition on these, which was that's what we all look for as Amazon sellers, right? So it was worth all the extra work that I was able to do that I had to do for these. And you know, sometimes like these are the type of opportunities, especially with like retail arbitrage, that you have to take advantage of. They come along maybe once or twice a year where you can get one product and make a really good money off of it. These didn't have a lot of returns and it was just a good product. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's my 1,021 orders. A lot of them were orders of 2. Sold a bunch of these, made well over $10,000 in profit. But the reason I made this video is just to show you, you know, get creative with how you're sourcing, right? Especially right now. Right now, sourcing is kind of hard because the prices of products have started to come down, especially in certain markets like shoes. Stores haven't been running the best sales lately, so retail arbitrage has been a bit more challenging than it has in the past. So you kind of have to get creative with how you're sourcing, how you're finding products, and just be able and ready to capitalize on certain opportunities like this one. But that is going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you gained some valuable insight, some valuable knowledge. If you did, definitely consider joining the family, hitting that subscribe button, leave this video a like. Let me know down in the comments, what's your best find of the year? That you made the most money on. Would love to hear that down in the description. This was by far my best find this year so far as retail arbitrage goes. It was just one of those finds that you don't come across too often, so I wanted to share it with you guys. But that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.